Hey, what up, guys? Good afternoon to you all. A quick one on Bitcoin. As you can see on the chart, that we have been consolidating for a while now. I think since um, on this is the 5th of December. So we have been on this sideways movement, and we have been hitting against this resistance, this 44,100 resistance zone. So we hit this resistance multiple times before we attempted a breakout on the 1st of January. We attempted a breakout. So price broke out of this 41,000 resistance zone and failed to continue higher. So price rejected into this zone, into this ranging zone. So I think we found support on this trend line, this 41,600 trend line. We reversed sharply to the upside. Yet again, we are still facing another resistance, the 44,000 resistance zone. So a candlestick made a rejection, created another bearish red candlestick, and still yet we have not popped our head up of this resistance zone. I think there might be a reversal on price to the 41,000 support zone, because as you can see that we are in the weekend, and there's another thing that price did. If you see on the chart that price created this long candlestick wick right here when price got rejected from the $45,000 zone. The price rejected sharply to the downside, and there was a wick testing the 40,000 support zone before reversing to the upside. I think we might further go down to reclaim this zone, because if you look at what price did, price created this long candlestick wick, and I think price might go back, retrace back to reclaim this wick over here. If you look at the previous data, you see that whenever we have this kind of long candlestick wicks right here, price usually tend to go back to reclaim those candlestick wicks. As you can see, if I use my rectangle tool, like this is an order block that when price created this wick, price came back to reclaim this zone, printing a double bottom on this zone before reversing to the upside. I think we could do the same if price goes down to the $40,000 zone before we see a reversal to the upside. I think on the whole context, if I look at the weekly, price is still bullish on the weekly, and we are still holding up strong on the weekly. So on the 4 hour is just a minor retest we are having on the 4 hour before we continue higher. I think price will still go higher, maybe hitting the $51,000 resistance zone before maybe having a pullback. So based on the ETF approval, I think when the Bitcoin ETF spots gets approved, I think there will be a sharp rally on price to the upside, maybe getting to the $51,000 support zone before we have a reversal. If I look at the Bitcoin dominance, you see that the Bitcoin dominance is at a resistance level, that is the 53% resistance level, and you can see that I drew a fib retracement from this high to this low, and as you can see that we are retesting the 618 fib level. So maybe if we get rejected on the Bitcoin dominance on the weekly, we could see price going to the downside, maybe hitting the 51% support. But if we lose the 51% support on the Bitcoin dominance, we can head over to the 48.9% support. So that will be it for Bitcoin. If you like this sort of content, do make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a price update like this. So that will be it, guys. Take care.